Welcome back everyone to this new guide video of how to guide. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Navient Corporation account. If you are a customer of Navient trying to log into your account, then in this video, let me show you the way that you can successfully log in. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end. Search for navient.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, you can see it's going to take you to the official website of Navient. You can scroll through the web page to take a look at some of the details that you need to know. To log into your account, however, click on the login option on the top right. Once you do, it's going to take you to the login section or the loan customer login section. So first of all, in this box, type in the username that you have linked with this account. Once you type in the username in the first box, in the second box, type in the password. If you have forgotten your user ID, you can click on this link which says forgot user ID, or if you have forgotten the password, you can click on the forgotten password link on the right side. And from there, you can follow simple steps to recover either of these information. And lastly, if you want this device to remember your user ID, you can check this box. This way, you do not need to type in your user ID each time you visit this website. So type in both of your credentials and click on login, and you'll be immediately logged in to your loan account of Navient. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be soon back with more videos that we post regularly. So in order to not miss these videos, make sure to turn on the notifications as well. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.